There's bad guys on Mars. Let's get the bad guys away from the astronauts. Whoosh. You're on Mars. Okay, we better find the bad guys here. Oh, I see the bad guys. You shoot the gun. Okay. We got the bad guys.
All right.
And save the astronauts.
Yahoo!
Let's go back to the ship. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Whoosh. Okay, there's another bad guy in the city of North America, of California, and San Francisco, and Earth. And they need you. Oh, here we go again. Here's Earth. We better get them with the airplanes. That's the gods. Here we go. Yoo-hoo! We got the bad guys. Okay, we saved the day. No, no. The end.
Yahoo! Ha ha! Good job, Space Cadets.
Oh, yeah. This was awesome. Right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay, it's over.